Introducing the new Kalyn Siebert VersaMAXX trailer, available at Midco Sales. This trailer has a 53-foot overall length and a 50-ton hauling capacity. The VersaMAXX is designed to be the perfect trailer for recovering and transporting buses, RVs, and other large vehicles. It has a 22-inch loaded deck height, 6-inch ground clearance, and a low loading angle. Aluminum bus ramps are included. They can be used at either end of the trailer and are stored in the gooseneck. 2 winches make it easy to load inoperable vehicles. The main deck measures 22.5 feet long and has swing-out outriggers. D-rings, chain slots, and tie-downs are found throughout the trailer. The hydraulic detachable gooseneck has a 5-position adjustable narrow neck. The rear deck has an open boom trough and a battery backup system for operating the trailer with the neck disconnected. The air ride suspension system has 5 ride height positions and an airlift on the rear axle. This trailer rides on low-profile tires and aluminum outer wheels. Visit midcosales.com to view all the specs of this Kalyn Siebert VersaMAXX trailer.